Hi, today we're starting with doing the butternut squash or pumpkin soup. Okay, this is how it looks like when you buy from the NTUC or groceries or something like that. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is cut into cubes. Then you have a white onion, a brown onion into cubes. Okay, so what happens is after you cut all this, you have to saute it on a pan with olive oil, right, until it's translucent. Add water, simmer down, and after that blend. After blending, pour it out. That's where you add your seasoning, your pepper, your salt, and your cream, and garnish it with pumpkin seeds. That's it.